Hi Ray, just another quick one to give you more information. So I've gone into WPE membership level, and because we changed the Coffs Harbour to Canberra as a marker on the demo page, this is general protection. So I want to tick everything that I want to set as locked up. So all of the pages. So where are we? Canberra is unticked. It was unticked. I'm not exactly sure why, but Coffs Harbour, I would like to now protect that. So I clicked on those and then went to set protection, and it said it was updated. I'll just wait for that to load. Because I've already done that, it's saying nothing to update, but the ticks aren't now in the Coffs Harbour component here. So whether it's actually saving in the database, I don't know. And whether this is related to the other problems, I'm not sure either. So I just thought I'd put this together for you. Okay, cheers.